You can easily use Microsoft OneNote to send your notes to an email using the integrated Microsoft Outlook feature. So over here I have this note. So if I want to send it through an email, I can simply click email paste under the home tab. So if I were to click email paste, you can see that Microsoft Outlook will open up. It's loading up right now. You can see that the note has been sent over here. So there's my image. You can see that this is created with Microsoft OneNote, and I can send it to anyone of my choice right here. So if I want to attach it as some other file type, I can also do that. So I just minimize this. So I can go to file right here and I can click send. So once I click send, you can see that this is the default option, that is email paste. I can also send it as an attachment. So if I were to click on this, you can see that now OneNote has been attached, and if the end user does not have a OneNote, then this is actually attached as a web-based file. I can also go over here and I can send this out as a PDF document. So now everything has been exported as a PDF document right here, as you can see. So now this is in a PDF format. I can also go over here, send this out to Word. So I can send as PDF, or I can also send it to Word, or I can even send it to blog if I want to. So these are the options available, and that is how you can integrate OneNote OneNote contents into Microsoft Outlook emails. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.